Welcome everybody, day 2 of GoBot Week. Got Crasher, one of the renegades, which is what they called the bad guys, and she was she was pretty prominent in the cartoon from what I recall. She was the girl robot. Bandai 1983. Okay, like I thought they were Tonka products. I'll dig into that a little bit, but anyway, that her transformation, pretty straightforward. The whole head tilts back, and gravity won't up. And yeah, put the arms down. I need to clean her, and that sort of hold her head's all tied together there. That's a good look at her. Sort of look at her face. There's nothing there. Just a couple of little holes and a visor. Let's see that the whole hood of the car just rotated back to get that. I've lost all her. She only got 2 wheels, and I've lost both her wheels on the back end. But she's, she was fairly prominent in the cartoon, and I'm still standing with yesterday's assessment that I don't think they were better than Transformers, but I think just more bang for the buck. Because let's say you could buy 3 or 4 of these for the price of 1 Transformer, and they had good play value. When they had wheels, they rolled really good, and I think in the cartoon the laser blast came right out of their hands. They didn't pretend to have guns or anything. Speaking of which, her hand is. I just noticed that her hand was broken there on that side. Lost a thumb, looks like. I'm surprised. Okay. So you're surprised just that small of a piece, and it looks like there's a clean break on the rest of her hand. That's surprising. But like I said, I think, given the constraints of their size and what they had to go on, they did a really good job with these. As I've been pulling them out and playing with them, I've been impressed with, what they did with what they had. Because I've got some that look really good when they're transformed, and on the scale, they don't have to go into super details, like I said yesterday. But anyway, that's her, Crasher, the Renegade. And if you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.